Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to withdraw money from Raymond James, one of the leading financial services firms. Whether you're a new client or just need a quick refresher, this step-by-step walkthrough will have you accessing your funds in no time. Let's get started. First things first, you'll need to log into your Raymond James account. Head over to their official website or use the mobile app. Make sure you're on a secure network for safety. Once you're in, enter your username and password, and enable two-factor authentication if you haven't already. It's a simple extra step that keeps your money secure. Now, navigate to the Accounts or Transfers section. This is usually found in the main dashboard. Here, you'll see an option for withdrawals or transfers out. Click on that, and you'll be prompted to select the account you want to withdraw from, whether it's a brokerage account, IRA, or savings. Next, choose your withdrawal method. Raymond James offers several options, like electronic bank transfers, wire transfers, or even checks mailed to you. For electronic transfers, enter the amount you want to withdraw and the destination account details, such as your bank's routing and account numbers. Keep in mind, there might be fees involved, typically around $25 for wire transfers, so double-check the current rates on their site. After entering the details, review everything carefully to avoid any mistakes. Hit the Confirm button, and you'll get a confirmation email or notification. Processing times vary. Bank transfers might take 1 to 3 business days, while wires are often faster but cost more. A quick tip: always monitor your account after a withdrawal and contact Raymond James customer support if you run into any issues. They're available via phone or chat. Remember, withdrawing money is all about being informed and cautious to protect your finances. There you have it. With these steps, withdrawing from Raymond James should be a breeze. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more financial tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.